You do not have a traffic problem. You have an economics and knowledge problem here. So let's get into it. This is going to be a very valuable video. I've gotten billions of impressions of paid ads over the years. I've even had like viral videos on various like faceless accounts I have and stuff like that. So let's get into this video. You're going to find this very valuable. Not just talking about one niche either. We're going to talk kind of broad here about traffic, because the truth is, I view traffic as the magic formula that can take any business, any product, any service anyone's selling and just take it to the stratosphere. You know, it can skyrocket your results, your success, like through the roof. That's the power of what traffic is. It's like, if you get enough attention, you can sell anything. But it depends the type of attention. Like if you were doing pop under advertising, where it's like $1 per 1,000 impressions, or maybe 50 cents. It depends on the country, it depends on the targeting or the platform. But like that's kind of junk traffic, and it doesn't convert as well, but people make conversions all the time from it, but hardly profitable sometimes. It just depends. But that's like endless traffic for super cheap, directly sent to your website or any funnel you want. But the trick is, it's like, how do you actually get endless traffic and profit, be able to spend the most to acquire conversions? You know, if you could spend $100 on Facebook ads and make $300 back, how many times would you do that? You do it until it breaks even or until it goes negative, and then you adjust it. But when you have a winning campaign or just a winning like reinvesting marketing formula, you can win. Like maybe your marketing formula is kind of backwards thinking. It's not paid ads. It's like you put your marketing budget into the variables of making content that just makes viral content, or content that gets enough free advertising for your business or your product that actually allows you to profit and make a return on investment. Now that's really cool. Like you're thinking smart at that point. You're not spending money on ads, wasting money in that strategy. You're actually spending money on the variables of the content, whatever business you're in, to sell whatever product or multiple products that you're selling or service. And so it's just very effective. Now let's see my other note here. More traffic into a broken funnel just loses money faster. So you need to make sure your funnels are optimized. And yeah, it's good to have a funnel, not a website, not some random landing page or info page or whatever. You want to have a funnel that basically gives them the option of yes or no on your product. And then it better have upsells. It better have a value ladder of other offers to buy. That is critical. And if you can spend the most to acquire traffic, you win, because you don't really have a traffic problem. The truth is, it is a money problem and information, because right now you have access to pay for literally hundreds of millions of clicks fast. It's just a money issue. And if not billions of clicks, you know, per month. The opportunity's out here. It's just endless clicks. It's like click, 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 buy constantly. If you can just be able to invest effectively at break even or profit. Now this is when it really gets fun, is when it's profitable. But if it's break even, that's good too, because you can build a buyer list and then launch to that buyer list forever. Because let's just say you spent $100 million to build a buyer's list and you broke even, or maybe you lost money and made back 80 million. But then you're able to launch to this customer base new offers and profit, okay, per year, and make serious money. That's called the descent ladder method I came up with, but it's also called like a freaking business loss strategy or whatever, and profit strategy. But at the end of the day, like it works. It works, and it allows you to basically build a massive customer base and lead base that's almost endless, that allows you to be known. And it's best to sell something to them over delivers, so they do want more. If you sell something crappy and build a buyer's list, good luck selling to them again and again and again. It's all about delivering quality. You got to delight customers. That's what business really is. We're not politicians out here stealing money. We are business owners and entrepreneurs who have to provide real value to the world and to the marketplace, and that's how it really works. There's two different types of traffic. There's actually a lot of different types of traffic sources, but the two main ones we like to mention is really just free and paid. Then there's content marketing, then there's paid ads. That's another way to say it. But then there's other subcategories, like outreach is a traffic strategy. Warm outreach, cold outreach, then there's affiliates. Nowadays there's clipping. There's tons of sub ways to do content marketing and different paid ad platforms and different paid methods to pay for advertising. I mean, if you cannot convert people to sales, you can get endless traffic. It's all out here, like it's abundant. You have access to endless traffic, especially just paying for it. You can pay to play. You do not need to put in tons of time and effort to get attention, quote unquote, or traffic to websites or funnels or your offers or anything you want to sell. But at the end of the day, the smartest approach is really viral marketing and understanding like truly how algorithms work, but more importantly, how human psychology works related to how to make content that really hooks human psychology and then turns into sales, because that's where the real money is in today's world. This applies to every single industry, whether it's the adult industry or restaurant industry, energy businesses, pharmacies, whatever. It applies to everything. So if you can get attention with content repeatedly, even if it's one format you leverage, you win. I have literally cracked the code to this. It sounds funny with a small personal brand, but I've built my personal brand multiple times. I started young and I actually took risks and learned from them like you wouldn't believe. I have other side projects, other side businesses, other things I do. I'm telling you, I know stuff that would blow your mind and it would like make you rethink maybe the universe. I don't know. Obviously, it would rethink your life, but even deeper than that, it would make you rethink everything. It may even make you depressed, because the smarter you get, the more depressed you can get. This is a fact. And dude, I know stuff that would blow your mind, especially about content and human psychology and stuff. It's mind-blowing. But at the end of the day, it's good to keep it simple. So you're really just lacking like knowledge and information of how to convert traffic into profitable sales at scale. Then you can effectively pay for ads or do effective content marketing. And you better not go the route of like trying to do free content marketing. You better understand, like, if you invest money into team and your content, and who cares about equipment as much as like human psychology variables of the content that actually works. Like audio is the most important, but visual, it doesn't have to be so extreme that it's like $50,000 camera. You know, it can be like a below average like camera, for example. And nowadays with technology, it's like easy. Like I got the iPhone 17 Pro Max here, and it's like perfect technology to just film a video like this, or even a movie. You have to understand, like, it's more so about understanding the actual variables of content and not just understanding, hey, I need to have good quality filming setup. That's when you know someone's a super beginner. There are variables that are so invisible, you'd never know, and layers and combinations of content and like psychological triggers that just make things go ballistic, that can really just make you, I want to say, millionaire overnight. It sounds crazy, but it's not. Videos nowadays, doesn't matter the platform. They can literally, I'm just talking the main platforms really, the social media platforms. You can make a video, and if it's a new account, yeah, it can take a week to pick up, but if it deserves views, it'll get views. And it can get like hundreds of millions of views, but the goal is like 10 million or more views. Overnight, that can happen. And if you're really smart and you understand call to actions, like that's all you really need. Like how to propose and show proof of not just results of a product, of what it does. And I'm not talking physical products here, you can also sell digital here. But if you can show that in viral content plus add a call to action every time, not even every time though, but let's say for a viral video, you will print at least 6 figures, but it can be 7 figures every time. So how much would you be willing to invest to be able to actually make a video like that actually prints, you know? Like how much would you spend if you knew, like to make a video that goes viral? How much would you spend if you knew it would make 200 grand back, let's say? Would you spend 100 grand to make the video? Sure. But it won't take that much money to do that. Like most people spend $0 to try and make a viral video. Like 10 grand is like the maximum most of the world does to make a viral video. Mr. Beast spends up to $1 million plus per video because he understands this. So that's what I'm trying to explain here. It's like the new type of marketing is don't put your money into paid ads, although that totally works if you know what you're doing. And nowadays it's better than ever. You can find proven viral content and use that as ads, as fair use. It depends what you're doing. You have to have knowledge and know the nuances of what I'm saying here. But yeah, you can crush it with paid ads. You can hook attention with paid ads and crush it, but you gotta know how to monetize and how to sell and how to convert at scale. The new biggest opportunity, without a doubt, is like how to make money with viral content, how to invest in the variables of viral content and build a system to sell anything, you know, at scale, and understand the nuances of it all. So if you want consulting with me, like I charge relatively high ticket for this, it's just gonna grow over time. I have so much experience over the years at this point. Like I have nuanced information that you're not going to find anywhere else. I give specific advice to each person I speak with based off your life experience, what you want to do, your strengths, your weaknesses, and then I give specific advice that I see it identified to you that's like what you need, okay, to get big results. So if you're interested in that, go join the Skool community I have down below. It's totally free to join. You can go through that. There's free value in there. I mean, people have paid way more money than what the courses are priced at right now, by the way. These courses aren't just like courses. Some of them are step-by-step to get results. It's just information you need, and I bundled it. Like, people have paid 10x or higher what I have bundled there. So anyway, I'm just trying to over-deliver to you guys. This is a valuable video I just made, just ranting, trying to get value here, but get consulting with me, change your life. That's all I gotta say. Peace.